Let's practice some words with our vowel team OO. And today our vowel team OO says ooh, like in the word zoo, or the sound an owl makes, hoot. We have animals with two big round eyes in the zoo that hoot. Those are owls, right? So OO says ooh. Let's practice reading it in some words. Tap and stretch. Zoo. Say it fast. Zoo. Yeah, I just said that word, didn't I? All right, let's practice it in this word. Hoot. Say it fast. Hoot. Right, owls hoot in the zoo. Here's another word to sound out. Are you ready? Booth. Try that again. Booth. Say it fast. Booth. Yeah. Do you want a table or a booth at the restaurant? Oh my, here's a long word. Do you think that you can sound it out? Okay, let's follow the rules. How many vowels does it have? 2. Okay. Are there consonants between the vowels? There are. There are 2. Are they a digraph or a blend? No. Well, then we can separate between them. There we go. Okay, now let's sound out the word. Ready? Car. Tune. Sound it out again. Car. Tune. Say it fast. Cartoon. Put it together. Cartoon. I love to watch cartoons. Good job. Studying vowel team OO that says ooh.